Mother Proud. Partnership with Faith, Fathers Alive in the Hood. We out here in Far Rock on New Haven, Beach Night, giving out water, food, clothes, any supplies that they need, because we right now in like an area where the majority of senior citizens and they can't get out to get some of these needs. So
hi, we're from the Light of the World Church. We're so happy to be here with Make My Mama Proud and Fathers Alive in the Hood, just trying to make a difference in the community.
Definitely came out today to give a helping hand, asking God's guidance to bless those that right now are going through a hard time. We brought our youth, our kids, people from our church donated their time, and we just wanted to bless everyone as much as in this time of need.
And tell them what the youth did. Like, what kind of volunteer work did they do?
My youth are back there, and they went and distributed food in the buildings, knocked on doors. They packed food this morning. They packed the vans, and they just been moving around all day. You know, just doing their thing and just trying to give back a little bit.
Okay.
We were happy to be a part of this organization, Fathers Alive in the Hood and Making Mama Proud. It was a great coordination, like a great team effort, and I'm just happy that we were able to make a difference.
Don't mind us, we gotta...
Pass it.
The arts initiatives out here, Hurricane Sandy. We're out here doing some relief with organizations such as Fathers Alive in the Hood, Make My Mama Proud. We're actually doing some passing out blankets, food, water, meals, hot meals. We have the site here, Fathers Alive in the Hood, Make My Mama Proud, out here. New Haven Plaza. That's where we at. New Haven Plaza. That's by the beach in FarRockaways. So again, we're out here doing relief efforts for the community. Everybody's chipping in and getting together to do the best that we can for the people that need the support. You know, so again, I'd like to thank Fathers Alive in the Hood, Proud, PS53, Village Academy, and Night, without question.
I'm out here with Make My Mother Proud and also Fathers of the Hood. I'm a member of Ocean Village. I'm native. I was raised up out here. We out here supplying goods to the community and support to everybody. All right, good. Okay, that's good. You made me so nervous. Thank you. Public speaking a little bit on this thing. When I go to court, I'm excellent. Anybody need feminine products?
No problem. Thank you. Thank you.
Excuse me. Hello.
Hi guys.
Hi, thank you for the donation.
to contact Make My Mother Proud, please go to www.makemymotherproud.org, or you can find us on Facebook at Make My Mother Proud.